Fundsupermart.com.
What is the investment objective of the fund, and can you briefly describe the strategy used by the team to achieve this?
We're looking to generate performance related to investing into commodities products, and the way we do it, we look at various factors, coming from fundamentals of the various commodity markets that we follow to more technical things in order to generate alpha in the asset class.
Does the fund have a benchmark, and how much consideration is paid to the benchmark during portfolio construction?
We're using the Dow Jones UBS Total Return as the benchmark. The reason why we use this benchmark is because it's well diversified, unlike some other products that we can find in the space that are more geared towards one specific sector, such as S&P GSCI. We pay attention to the benchmark in the sense that we will actively weight our portfolio relative to benchmark, and we have guidelines as to how much deviation from benchmark we can take. So at the sector level, for instance, it's up to 5%. At the commodity level, it's up to 7%.
Among the different sectors of commodities the fund gains exposure to, which sectors are you the most positive on?
Still in energy, we still like the energy sector on account of geopolitical risk, production issues on the refined product side, and even also on the crude oil side. We think these are going to continue into next year and provide opportunities in the sector.
On the other hand, which sector do you have the least confidence in?
We're slightly more cautious on the base metal sector, and this is on account of the relationship between metals prices and currencies in general. We tend to see quite a lot of correlation between base metals and the dollar. A strong dollar is probably going to be slightly negative for metals, so in the next quarter we think that could be a problem. We also are a bit more cautious on the Chinese outlook, especially in the copper market. We think copper, for instance, could reach 7,000 within the next quarter.
A common concern among investors is that investing in commodities is a high-risk venture. What are your thoughts on this, particularly with regards to the Threadneedle Enhanced Commodities Fund?
I think the concern that investors have had in the past has been high volatility. It's true that commodities are volatile, but in reality they have been generally only as volatile as equities. So you haven't had that much extra risk in investing into the commodity market as such. The other thing to pay attention to is what impacts there might be from the shape of the curve. So contango might negatively affect your portfolio, and this is something that we seek to actively manage within the fund. So buying the fund actually allows you to get some expertise into managing those things that could be a concern for investors.